No, that's my arm. Oh, I see. I thought just really like your new couch. That's follow my lead. Okay. Come on, Chandler. Here we go. Turn. I don't think we can gonna fit. I don't think we can turn anymore. Rest think it. I just don't think it's gonna fit. Oh yeah, well, come on, up. Okay, here we go. Pivot. Shut up. Oh, okay. I don't think it's gonna fit. I don't think it's gonna pivot anymore. What's that? Pivot anymore? Let's bring it back down and try it again.